Hey beauties, it's Daisy here and I'm back with another video. Today we have this gorgeous Body Wave Lace Front Wig. I'm going to tell you all the details about this hair, so make sure you stay tuned. Today's hair is from Megalook and they are one of my favorite companies to work with. They always send some goodies along with this bomb transparent lace wig. As you can see, here is the frontal and the inside of the wig. The curl pattern is bomb, straight out the packaging. And what I did was just bleach the knots off camera. So today we're working with this gorgeous unit. It is a Body Wave super long wig. I can't remember the exact length offhand. I think it's like 24 inches, but it's like super long, as you can see. So I bleached the knots off camera and we are looking like scalp. I am just going to cut off this lace and then get this install going. I'm thinking about doing a side part today, so I'm just gonna try to switch it up. Tell me what you guys think. Now I'm gonna use my favorite because I like to keep my edges, okay? All those other glues, they do the trick, make your wig stay longer, but I wanna keep my edges. And people will be like, oh, well, you guys aren't doing it right, or you're not installing your wig right if your edges are lost. No, you can install a wig perfectly fine, but it's gonna tug on your hairline no matter what. So you want to change it as much as possible. Now that I got my scarf on, I'm just gonna straighten my hair. I'm gonna take my little glosser, put it throughout the hair, not too much, but just enough. And I'm gonna take larger sections and straighten this hair and then curl it so I can have like a more straight, sleeker type of curl. You'll see what I'm talking about towards the end, okay? And this is my new baby, y'all. I love this flat iron. Look at this. This was like $100, but worth every penny. So this is how it looks after like 5 or 6 big sections with minimal oil. The difference, amazing. So can you believe how well this hair straightened even with big sections? I didn't even use smaller sections to get it super sleek and straight. Of course, because I'm curling the hair, but it looks so good. And the lace is so transparent. I love, love, love it. Luckily, I didn't over bleach the knot, so I'm just getting that parting space right. And then I am gonna work on this hairline. Now I wanted to try something different, so I'm doing like a little swoop kind of side part, if that makes any sense. And I'm working on this hairline. I have noticed that everybody has been into those, like, I don't know, more in your face baby hairs, like the little swoops and everything. I'm gonna show you guys how I style it and do something a little bit different. Tell me if you like your baby hairs like this or you like more subtle baby hairs, because sometimes people have way more baby hairs than even I would be interested in. But then people may think the same with how I do my hairline. So it's just to each his own. Just do your baby hairs how you like them, or don't do any baby hairs. Now your girl has hopped on the arrogant Tay method bandwagon, shall I say. I just curl the baby hairs, and it actually makes a difference. It makes it super easier to do your swoops because it's already curled, and especially if you want a more natural baby hair look. Like, I try not to use too much gel. It does mess up your baby hairs throughout the day. Like, if you don't use gel, it won't stay in place all day, but you'll have that natural look because everybody's hairline just doesn't stay perfect throughout the day. But I'm just trying my little swoops, a new little curling method, I'm just trying to get the hairline as cute as possible. And like, do you guys see the lace? It's like nowhere to be found. This wig is amazing, like, for real. If you haven't checked out Megalook hair, make sure you check them out. They are really one of my faves. So here is the final look. I love how it came out. My curls did drop after I did my makeup. That's why I kind of just keep them pin curled until my makeup is done. But I kind of like the natural curl look. Super cute. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.